Big handlebars, big thermal tumbler, you need a big drink holder. I had a chrome and black Ciro drink holder on my retro Indian motorcycle. The big Ciro cup holder secured my Yeti Fine at highway speeds. For the big Road King, let's install the huge Ciro drink holder. The cup holder comes with these directions, a clamp, and a ball socket, everything I need to mount this to my 1 1/4 inch handlebars. Here's what the chrome and black parts look like out of the plastic.
Just decide where you want your cup holder, put the clamp around the bars, put the bolt through the clamp, and tighten up the stem. By the way, the bolt already has blue Loctite on the threads to help keep it from vibrating loose. You should tighten the mounting stem down hand tight, but it's hard to turn it with the blue Loctite in the threads. I used a 3/16 Allen wrench on one side, and since I only had one 3/16, I used a metric 4.5 on the other side to snug it down. Place the lock nut over the mounting stem, snap your cup holder over the ball mount, then tighten down the lock nut. Snug this lock nut down with your hands. Don't use any tools because you don't want to strip it out. Be careful not to cross thread it so you won't mess up the threads. Like I said, I had one of these on my other bikes and it never failed me. Here's how it looks mounted to my bars. 20-ounce Yeti fits fine. There's no way that's falling out of there.
This huge Ciro drink holder also secures a 30-ounce tumbler perfectly.
Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. We're going to test this cup holder out riding down some scenic Kentucky roads.